Intelligence of lower animals. We are disposed to think that lower animals have got no intelligence. This, however, is not true. They may be incapable of acquiring higher forms of knowledge, but ordinary intelligence as displayed in common life they certainly possess. Of course, many acts of lower animals showing great intelligence and skill seem to be done by instinct. Take, for example, the wonderful beehive which baffles even the intellect of man to imitate. It is certainly the work of instinct, else all hives could not be alike even to the minutest details. Yet, if we carefully study the acts and habits of some of the lower animals, we shall be forced to the conclusion that they possess ordinary intelligence. We will first speak of the monkey, which is the most intelligent of lower animals, excepting perhaps the sagacious elephant. In many of its acts, the monkey displays intelligence worthy of human beings. In intelligence, even more than in appearance, it is so very like a human savage that man is thought by some thinkers to have been descended from this wonderful animal. The jackal is reputed to be the most cunning of all animals. Many fables are current about the proverbial cleverness of the jackal. Even in actual life, we meet with many instances of her slyness. The clever manner in which she steals the puppies of a house dog argues more than ordinary intelligence. The dog and the horse also seem to possess some degree of intelligence. These domestic animals soon become attached to their masters and learn to distinguish familiar faces from strange ones. The dog sometimes gives wonderful proofs of its sagacity. So does the elephant, which is the most sagacious of all beasts. Here is a story of the intelligence of the animal. A man in Silhat, Assam had a huge tusker. This animal once left his master and ran towards the forests of another hill. Do what the man would, he could not make the animal turn back. All day he ran after the elephant and at last was ready to drop with fatigue. Then he fell flat before the animal and said, "Shall thou go really? Then kill me first." At this, the animal stopped, took the man in his trunk, placed him on his neck, and returned home. And the aptitude of the tame otter for learning to catch fish for its master is truly wonderful and argues more than ordinary intelligence. From what has been stated above, it would be clear that lower animals, at least some of the higher species among them, often give remarkable evidence of common intelligence. Please share and subscribe my channel.